To connect Wix to Printify, start by creating a Printify account if you don't already have one. Go to the Printify website and sign up for an account by providing the required information. Once you have a Printify account, log in and navigate to the dashboard. Click on the settings icon and select integrations from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the e-commerce platforms section and click on the Wix button. You will be redirected to the Wix website where you will be prompted to authorize Printify to access your Wix store. Click on the Authorize button to grant Printify permission to connect to your Wix store. After authorizing Printify, you will be redirected back to the Printify dashboard. Click on the Add New Store button and select Wix as the platform. Enter your Wix store URL and click on the Connect button. Printify will then sync with your Wix store and retrieve a list of your products. You can then select the products you want to enable Printify for and choose the print provider you want to use. To enable Printify for a product, go to the product page in your Wix store and click on the Edit button. Scroll down to the Advanced Settings section and click on the Manage Subscriptions button. Select Printify from the drop-down menu and choose the product type and print provider. Finally, make sure to test your Printify integration by placing a test order to ensure that everything is working correctly. This will help you identify any issues and make necessary adjustments before launching your store. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Wix to Printify and start selling print-on-demand products in your Wix store. Remember to always test your integration and monitor your orders to ensure a smooth and successful selling experience.